Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmana sir. In this session, I will explain you about some application problems as well as word problems on the linear equation. Okay? And first question we have, that is sum of two numbers is 80. One of the number is 15 and find the other number. Okay, and you have been already solved these questions in previous class, that is in 7th class, isn't it? I will introduce as well as I will continue to solve. Okay, see here, the sum of two numbers is 80. First we have to convert this long question into the linear equation. How? Let's see. Sum of two numbers is 80 as well as that is one of that number is 50. One number total. Then we want another number. Let's take, that is assume, find out the other number. Innone number ಏನadalri, assume that number is to be, x. Sir, why you have taken only x? Sir, you can take y, z, a, b, c, d, whatever it may. Okay, just I am assuming that the number is to be x. Which number? That is second number. That is find out the other number. That number is to be x. Are you getting my point? Yes. Now see the question. That is sum of two numbers is 80. Okay, one number is 15 and other number we have, that is x. Are you getting my point? Sum of two number is 80. In that one number is 15 and other number we have assumed that is x. Then we have to convert this long question into equation. That is, I will convert it here. C is x. X is also a number. Plus, why I am adding here? Because the sum in the question he has given that it is a sum. That's why I have taken here plus. And another number he has given, that is 15. 15. Isn't it? Yes. Then x plus 15. We don't know x plus 15. Sir, but the sum of two numbers, that is 15 as well as x, we will get 80. See here. 80. Okay. So see here, x plus 15 is equal to 80. This is the equation. This is the linear equation in one variable. We know that how to solve the linear equation in one variable. That is by two methods. That is transpose method, otherwise or inverse operation method. Error method ಗೊತ್ತದ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ, isn't it? We can solve this by any method. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ method ಇಂದ solve ಮಾಡಿ. That is, I will transpose this plus 15 to here. What will happen? See here, 80 is there as usual, or as it is I will keep it, that is 80, and here 15 goes to this side. That means 15 is transposing to this side, LHS to RHS. That becomes 15. Which 15? See here, plus transpose to minus. Isn't it? Plus transpose to minus. Then what is the answer we have here? That is 80 minus 15 is 65. Isn't it? 65. And x is equal to what we will get? 65. Sir, what is x here? X is that number is to be. That is, we have assumed that number. Which number? That is find out in the number. Isn't it? One number is put there 15 and other number we have taken, that is x. Then take it, substitute here, that is x is equal to 65 is the answer. Then x plus 15 is equal to 80. Okay, what is the value of x we have? 65 plus 15 is equal to 80. Pakka, see here, 65 plus 15 is equal to 70. 70 plus 80, 80 is the correct answer. Then our answer is also correct. Isn't it? Then what is the value of x here? That is 65. What is x? That is the number. We have assumed that. Are you getting my point? Yes. Aditya Tech 65. Many of them are given the correct answer. Thank you. Sharat Kumar. Bharat. Yes. Very good. Anjum. Aditya Tech. Yes. Thank you for your answers and thank you for being live. Yes. Okay. Let's move to the next problem. That is simply I will make a correction here. That is the sum of two number is 98. Okay, one of that number is I will give here, that is 54. Find out the other number. Same as it is this method only. First we have to convert this into the linear equation. First this long question linear equation convert ಮಾಡಿ. Same as it is previous first question in okay. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Anjum, x plus 54, that's x plus 54 is equal to 98. Very good, very good. And x is equal to 44. Very good, Subhashini Patil. Yes, Anjum has given the equation, linear equation, and Subhashini has given the answer. Very good. Yes, Bharat. Very good. Totally has given. Guru Kiran Patil, 44 answer, correct answer. Wow. Many of them are active because actually is Sunday, isn't? Yes. Bharat Raichur, correct. Bhagya, x is equal to, and don't copy Aditya. Very good. X is equal to 44. Yes. How to solve this? Simple, sir. First, we have to assume which number? This number is to be x. Assume that number is to be, sir, what ಸರ್ತಿ x ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಈ ಸರ್ತಿ y ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾನಂದ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, but b ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡು what will it mean? Isn't it? Yes, I will take y here. Then write the equation. That is, we have sum of two numbers is 98. Okay, what are those numbers? We have one number that is 54 and another number we have y, that is y plus 54 is equal to 98. Then I will transpose this plus 54 to this RHS side. What will it happen? That is see here, 98 minus 54. Simple, sir. 98 में 54 गए तो 44 is the answer. Isn't it? Yeah. Sir, whether y is equal to 54 or 44 is the correct answer or not, cross check it. Is just, that is y plus 54 is equal to 90. Just equation and algebra. Isn't it? Then what is the value of y we get? That is 44. 44 plus 54 is equal to how much? Pakka? It is 98. Then we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Yes. Then what is y? Then what is y? Yes, sir. Y is the another number. First number he has given, that is 54, and another number he doesn't give. Okay? He doesn't give that number. That's why the second number is y. Then y is what? 44. And 54 plus 44 is 98. Okay? Yes. Move to the next question. Yes, Guru Kiran and Aditya, Bharat, Nikhil. Yes, x is equal to 44. And Aditya and Guru Kiran cross-checked. Very good. Thank you. Okay, move to the next question. It is somewhat different. Yeah. Sum of two numbers is 74. Sum of two numbers is 74. One of the number is 10. See here. One of the number is 10 more than the other. See here. 10 more than other. More than other. What are the numbers? Whoa. What are the numbers? See here. Once again, I will read out the question. That is, sum of two numbers is 74. Okay, one of the number is 10 more than the other. Okay, one of the number is 10 more than other. Okay, clarify marker. Then what are the numbers? Then what are the numbers? Let us assume that two numbers are there. That is sum of two numbers and how many numbers are there? Two numbers. That is, assume that first number and the second number are there. Okay, assume that first number is to be what? X and simple. We don't know the two numbers. Two numbers just he has given the hint that is 10 more than other. One number is 10 more than the other. Okay, that is, assume that first number is to be X. Okay, first number is to be X. Then the second number is, see here, concentrate here, that is, one of the number is 10 more than the other. Okay, 10 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಗಿಂತ 10 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 is more than the other. Are you getting my point? Yes, that is, first number we have, that is X, and second number we have 10 more than the other. 10 more than the other, that is X plus 10. See here, concentrate here, that is, we have to that is, sum of two number is 74. Okay, we have two numbers. Okay, in that one number is 10 more than the other. One number is 10 more than the other. Okay, yes, that's why we have assumed that first number is to be X anta tilkonbiಟ್ಟಿವಿ. In that two numbers olaga one number X anta tilkonbiಟ್ಟಿವಿ, and second number is 10 more than the first number or 10 more than the other number. Isn't it? That is X and 10 more than the other number. Other number ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದುವೇ ಇಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ. That is first number only. 10 more than the other number. Okay, then first digit or first number we have, that is X, and second number we have X plus 10. See here, I will write the equation. Concentrate here. X plus 10 is equal to 74. Sir, hang sir, listen. That is, sum of two number is 74. So I will write it here directly 74. Sir, sum of two numbers. See here, first number is X and second number is X plus 10. That is, X is the first number and second number is X plus 10. And why I have taken here plus? Because he has given that is sum. Pakka ho gaya kam? Any doubts? Yes. See here, how to solve this one? Sir, simple by transverse method also, or in inverse operation method antadru ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, see here, X plus 10 is equal to 74. Sir, just I remove the brackets. See here, plus bracket means multiplication, and here is also plus. Okay, plus into plus is plus. Okay, then plus into plus. That's why X is here and this 6 is here and 10 is here. Okay, see. Now concentrate here. X plus X is X plus X, 2X. Paka, that is x plus x is 2x. X plus x is equal to 2x. Then here we have plus 10. Plus 10 is equal to 74. अर्थ आगे yes 2x plus 10 is equal to 74. Yes, 2x is here. Then I will transpose this plus 10 to RHS side. See here, 74 is here, and I will transpose this plus 10 to RHS side. That will become minus 10. Paka, that is plus 10 minus 10. Then 2x is equal to 74 minus 10 is 64. That is 64. Yes, still we did not get that is value of x. That is 2x value. So we have to get the value of x. We have to divide by 2. Cause it. That is, I am transposing this multiplication of 2 to RHS side. What will it becomes? That is, multiplication is transposed to division. Okay, multiplication changes to division. So, okay, x is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. X is equal to what? 32. X is equal to what? 32. Yes, very good, Aditya. That is, see here, that first number is to be x. Then what is the value of x here? That is 32. Only one digit, only one number we have get it. That is, the first number is 32 because x value is 32. That's why first number is 32. But the second number is sir. See, second number is x plus 10. X plus 10. See here, what is the value of x we have? 32 plus 10. 32 plus 10, that is 42. That is 42. Listen, that is x is equal to 32 is the first digit number. Why, sir? Because we have assumed that is first number is to be x. That's why x value is 32. First number is then second number is x plus 10. X plus 10. First question I explain. That is x plus 10. So substitute the value of x here. What is the value of x we have? That is 32 and plus 10. What is the value of x plus 10? That is 42. And two numbers, that is first number is 32 and second number is 42. First number is 32 and second number is 42. Add these two, 32 plus 42. 32 plus 42. We will get 4, 7, 74. 74 is the answer. 74 is the answer. Pakka? Clear? I clear doubts? Any doubts? Yes, that is first number we have, that is 32, and second number we will get, that is 42. Adding both these numbers, we will get the answer, that is 74. Okay? On the clear, I will start to screenshot. If someone is using laptop, just pause and write down answers. Yes, move to the next problem. Yes, Bhagya Karigoda, 32 plus 4, yeah. Aditya Tech 74, right, sure. Bharat, right, sure. Bhagya Karigoda, yes. Yeah. X is equal to 32. Yes, correct answers. And thank you for being live. And next question we have, see here. Converting this into a linear equation is very important. On the larger question, easily on the linear equation I convert madidlele, you can get the correct answer. See, next question we have. The perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter of the rectangle is 36 centimeter. 36 centimeter. And its length is 5 centimeter. And length is 5 centimeter. Find its width. Oh. Okay, read out the question one more time. The perimeter of the rectangle is 36 centimeter and its length is 5 centimeter. Find out its width. Assume that same ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿರಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದಾನ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. See here, that is assume the width of the rectangle is to be x. X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ because x is common, that's why I have taken the x. See here, to find out the its width ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. First we have to assume that is width of the rectangle is x. Okay, now we have to convert this into the linear equation. Before going to convert this into linear equation, we have to know the perimeter of the rectangle. What is the formula for finding the perimeter of the rectangle and what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, tell me. Perimeter of rectangle. Yes, fast on Google formula over. I know you are. Yes, Anju. 2 into length plus b. B means breadth. Okay. Width also we can tell that. Bharat Raichur. Yes, 2 into L plus b. Subhashini 2 into L plus b. Very good, very good. Yes, we have the formula. Breadth anta baribodu, but here he has given that is its width anta kottadu. Okay, then the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus width. Okay, sir, matta b yaku baradilli? The question he has given that is width, that's why I have taken here width. Adra breadth anta kottidre, I will take it as breadth. Yes, Aditya Tech and Bhagya Karigoda. Yes, 2 into L plus b is the correct answer. See here, this is the question we have. Okay, see, this is the linear equation. How? Now I will tell you. It is perimeter of the rectangle. That is, the perimeter of the rectangle is 36. See here, the perimeter of the rectangle is 36. Adar kela barbe equal sign is there, equal. Sir, as it is 2 is there 2. Then length they has given that is length is 5 centimeter. Length is 5 centimeter. I will write 5 here. I understand? Yes. Then plus is there. I will take plus here. Then width. Sir, width and over. Sir, we have assumed that is. Assume the width of the rectangle is x. Isn't it? That is x. Isn't it? This is the linear equation. We will get this. Okay, this is the linear equation. Now solve it. Sir, to solve it, before solving this, just I will convert left hand to right hand side and right hand to left hand side. Artha agಲಿಲ್ಲ sir. Sir, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ and ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Why sir? Because we have to ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have to keep only variable in the LHS side ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್? ಹಿಂಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಸರ್, but it is easy. See here, 2 of 5 plus x is equal to 36. Just that is 36 goes this side and this one comes to this side. See here, 5 plus x is equal to 36. See, 2 and 2 is 2 is transposing to RHS side. Here it is multiplication. Multiplication changes to division. See here, 36 by 2 I think. Are you getting my point? That is, I am transposing this 2 to from LHS side to RHS side. Then here it is multiplication and multiplication transposed to division. See here. Then 5 plus x is equal to 5 plus x is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 8 is 16 and 5 plus x is 18. That is same. I will write it here. 5 plus x is 18. Then what is the value of x? To get the value of x, what we have to do? We have to transpose this 5 to RHS side. Simple exercise. See here, x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18. Then I am transposing this 5 to RHS side. Here, plus is in positive. If it is transposed to RHS side, then it will become minus. Then x is equal to 18 minus 5 is 30. X is equal to that is 13. And what is x? Sir, simple. See here. Assume that width of the rectangle is to be x and then what is the width of the rectangle? That is 30. And width of the rectangle is 30. Isn't it? Arithmetic problem. Pakka. If any doubts, ask me here only. Let's see another problem. Yeah. Okay. Yes. From Bharat Raishu, Bharat, Sharat, Bhagya, Bharat. Yes. Akshata, Anjum, Aditya, Bharat Raichu. Yes. Width of the rectangle is 13. Very good. Thank you for giving a correct answer. Yes, Guru Kiran. Width is equal to 13. Very good. Let's move to the next question. See, it's somewhat different. See here. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiply the result by 1 by 2. You get 1 by 8. You get 1 by 8. What is the number? What is the number? Sir, handwriting ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why I will read it once again. Otherwise, it takes more time to write neatly. Okay? If you subtract 1 by 2 from the number, one number ಒಳಗ 1 by 2 subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರ subtract ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ, then and multiply the result with 1 by 2. So somewhat different are the listening. Okay? Result by 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. Then what is the number? What is the number? Only one number we have to find. Okay? And assume that number is to be x. assume that number is to be x. Okay? Yes. Assume x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Yes. I think you are with your reader. Isn't it? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that is, assume that number is to be x. Which number? That is, which number? This here, that number we have to, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number. See here, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, see here, subtract 1 by 2 from a number. Which number? That is x. Yeah, Krishna x, because that number we have assumed that number is x. That number becomes x. Okay. One more time I will explain you, that is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, I am subtracting 1 by 2 from number. Which number? That is x. X is that because we have to find out the value of x only. Okay. See here, I will put the bracket here. And continuing the question, that is, and multiply the result with 1 by 2. Sir, how the result? Just simple. Multiply by 1 by 2. Simply just multiply 1 by 2. See, I will multiply 1 by 2. Question okay, then you will get 1 by 8. You will get 1 by 8. You will get means the answer is 1 by 8. Answer is 1 by 8. This is the linear equation we have. See here, one more time I will explain you. It is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, which number we don't know, ಯಾವ number ನೇ ಕಳೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ, we don't know that number, that's why we have taken that number is x. Then I am subtracting this, sorry, I am subtracting 1 by 2 from this number, okay, and multiply by 1 by 2, and multiply by 1 by 2, and you will get 1 by 8, and you will get 1 by 8. Simply see here, yeah, this is the linear equation we have. Yes, Bharat Raichur 1 by, directly they are given the answer. Let's see what is the answer. So see here, x minus 1 by 2 is here. Then here 1 by 2 is multiplying. Here that is product, or here that is a multiplication. So I will transpose this 1 by 2 to RHS side. What will it becomes? See here, 1 by 8. See here, 1 by 1 digit to numerator denominator. See here, that 1 by 2 is multiplying here. So it is transposed to RHS side. What will it becomes? See here, 2 is multiplying here. 2 is actually multiplying, isn't it? It goes to numerator. Denominator then it goes to numerator, and here it is in numerator. Afterwards it comes to denominator. Simple. That is 1 by 2 is transposed to 2 by 1. Ulta in the transpose method I have explained you. Okay? Yes. Same. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to, see here, 2 ones are 2 and 8 ones are 8. Okay, then again, x minus 1 by 2 is here. See here, I am solving this. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. That is 1 by 4. What will get? 1 by 4. So I will write it here. Is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 and 1 sir. Simple, that is 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Just I am cancelling these two. Then we will get x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay? Yes, see here. X is equal to, I will transpose this 1 by 2 to this side. What will it becomes? See here, 1 by 4 is here, and 1 by 2 becomes here. And minus changes to plus. Minus changes to plus. See here, confuse agbodu. ಸರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1/2 ಇತ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 2/1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 1/2 ಆದ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1/2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. Are you getting my point? See here. Here is the multiplication symbol is there. If it is in multiplication, then transpose to division. See here, it is 1 is multiplying, then it is comes here to division, and 2 is in division. 2 ಎದರಾಗಾದ್ರಿ division ಒಳಗಾದ್ರಿ, it comes to multiplication. Are you getting my point? ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದೆ. Then here it is in subtraction. Subtraction transpose to addition, isn't it? See here, 1/2 plus 1/2. Addition is convert aitri. So the next step we have, that is you have to take the LCM. How we will take the LCM? So many methods are there. So I will take simple, that is 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2 and plus 4 1s are 4. Artha simple method, that is 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2 and 4 1s are 4. It's cross multiplying. Then 2 plus 4 is 6 by 8. See here, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 8 is here 8. Then again these two numbers will come under a table number second, that is 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. And x is equal to what we will get? X is equal to 3/4. What is the value of x here? That is 3/4. Suppose LCM ಇನ್ನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. So LCM ಇನ್ನೂ ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. That is x is equal to 1/2 plus 1/4 is there. See here. So what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್? By LCM 2 1s are 2 1s ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll get 4. See here, and you have to multiply here by 2 and here by 1. Okay, 1 2s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1. What is the answer we have? 3/4. This is the LCM by different method, and this is the LCM by different method, and same answer is there. This 3/4 is there, and here also 3/4 is there, isn't it? Yes. Then what is the answer we have? X is equal to 3/4. See here, assume that that number is to be x and that number is x is equal to 3/4. Okay, yes, many of them are answered correct. Aditya Tech, Rajat and Bharat, x is equal to 3/4 is the correct answer. And thank you for being live, and thank you for answering the correct answers. Yes, by this I will conclude my today's session. Let's meet in the next video. Up to that, bye. And if any doubts, ask me in the comment section or in the WhatsApp group. Okay, Alivargu namaskar. Bye.